What a beautiful day. It's Saturday, my favorite day of the week because tomorrow is Sunday, buddy. Finally I can rest. But yeah, let's get into it, bro. Today I'm gonna speak about spirituality and how much an important role it has played in my life. Like it all started maybe due to that COVID, I got more curious about life. Like suddenly the whole world stopped and the things I was chasing for, like the material things, didn't even matter much, because there is actually a quote that says we are not human being having spiritual experience, we are spiritual beings having human experience. So that sums it up. So actually in COVID lockdowns I got more curious about there's actually more to this life than just all these materialistic items and money, fame. There should be something more, right? Life itself is actually a great really a great thing, which I got curious, like what is life? I just questioned everything, bro. And as I kept questioning, I found my guru, Sadguru. Actually I was more invested. While studying about the spiritual aspect of life, actually on YouTube I ran into this great man, and the things he told actually connected with me, and it was he made me more curious that I found my answers. Like most of the answers I found through him. Here almost all the answers. And that brought me into yoga, sadhana, kriya, meditation, whatever you call it. There are so many aspects in that, but in simple words, I just wanted this body and the mind to be one. Like there's more to this body and mind, man. There's something inside you, the creator, the power. You have to connect with that. Once you connect with that, you actually become a great being. People will say you're a superhuman because you get connected with the creator. So that's when I started doing yoga in my free time, meditation, which actually helped me a lot. It cured, like I felt so much different things in the lockdown, but thanks to these practices, it kept me calm, peaceful, and it gave me clarity in life on what to do and what not to do. It made me see through everything clearly. That's the most important part. So once I had clarity, I actually started taking action. First, my dreams and goals are just dreams and goals. After practicing on myself, after spending time with myself, you actually get powerful and you actually taking action. So as a person, you have to get strong and hard, not only physically, mentally. There are more aspects like emotionally, spiritually. This all are real, man. Even energy bodies, like energy, you can feel a person energy just by seeing him, right? Being with him. This all are part of life. You have to improve in all part of life. Then only you will be a complete human and you can do what you think you can achieve. You can achieve most most of the things in life just by the simple fact. Actually, I needed a fire to record more and post more. You know what happened? Just a few nights ago, I didn't have my GoPro on that night. Actually, I felt like I should have put it on while traveling, but I just didn't. I don't know why. And in Electronic City, while I'm just standing in the traffic, truck like big truck, you know, the highway trucks, I was just sideways, like, you know, the sideways, how you stand sideways in the traffic. So the light got green, and by the front vehicle started moving, and the bike in the right and left started moving. I was just in the same place for maybe 1 to 3 seconds. Within 1 to 3 seconds he just started. He thought no one is there below him, so he just pushed me. Nothing major, just fell a little bit, little small injury, but in a moment everything can end, bro. In a moment all the positions, all the possessions you have, material items, everything can go in a second. But what I'm trying to say is, the environment, the way you build yourself, the way you inner engineer yourself, if you have stability in life, do you get the point, right? If you are mentally, emotionally and energetically like balanced and stable, life can't shake you. You get the point, right? So one day you may have this wonderful bike, the next day you may not have it, but if you are spiritually, if you are like connected and strong from the ground, nothing can shake you in life, and everything seems like a play. Everything will seem like a play for you. So but there is more to life, buddy. There is more to life than just chasing Lambo, cars, girls, money. So when you tune into that, you will actually have a vision. These material things, don't get too connected with these material things like your bike or whatever it is, because it may be with you today and in just a second you may lose it all. So yeah, and also so the spirituality part, actually it made me more tuned into, like, as I was saying, vision. You will have a real vision in life where you will not only think about yourself, you will also try to include everybody. Like, you will be exclusive, you will include everybody in your life, and you will think better for others. Together you would like to make this world a better place. So try, bro, try to do that. In this highway roads, you know what is the worst part is this right side. This right side, if some car comes in your way, you're done. Like, this is cool and all, this place is cool, but these fucking cars from you know, who don't travel in these roads for a long time, like Tamil Nadu cars or something, they use this road, they just come suddenly to this right and all. So if you're using this road, in this nice road, Just be careful. Just be careful. Don't be above 70 or 80 speed, you know. You can't control your bike if you're more than 70 or 80. You will, no matter if it's your mistake or the front guy's mistake, something may happen, you know. Bumper bum 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 bum. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to say, and I don't know, bro. I don't know where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna do. Let's see, let's hope for the best, but there will be some cuts in this video. But what I'm trying to say, the moral of this video is simple, bro. Just try to go spiritually also, you know. That's it. Take care, brother. Hope you have a great day ahead, and drive safe. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm a little bit crazy.